So, our next guest is a dancer, is a choreographer, and a performer, and has been rocking it up from past 13 years in the industry. And he's the owner of a dance academy where he's pursuing his dreams of teaching and spreading love for dance. And as he says, we not only dance to win hearts, but we dance to express ourselves. Please put your hands together for Piyush Malhotra. Hello, Piyush. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having
How
me
are you
here.
feeling? How are you feeling right now? I'm sorry I had to kick out Deepa. Deepa, I'm adding her in.
This is
Deepa,
a
Thank you, Anupam, for bringing
Hi,
me
Deepa.
back.
Deepa, you're looking very gorgeous.
Thank you,
Superb, you're-
Piyush. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, I think I had a little network issue. That's the reason I kind of.
no problem, no problem. So we have
Welcome,
Piyush
welcome,
with us.
Piyush. Welcome to.
Yes, welcome to our chat. And
Thank you.
before starting anything, let's dive directly into this, Piyush. The first question, which everyone wants to know: why dance?
Why dance? So it starts with a very simple kiddish thought when I was in school. I was too fascinated by a hero called Superman. Now
Okay.
I wanted to be a Superman, no matter what. I believed that
Yeah.
I am Superman, and how do I get that conviction
Yeah.
to make people aware
Yeah.
that I am the Superman? So there were two things. Superman means to fit into the category of Superman. One,
Yeah.
definitely your strength. You need to be strong. So being in sports,
Yes.
the category of being strong and healthy was tick mark. So that was never a category where I had to really work on.
Yeah.
So being strong, being strength, having a good physique, fitness level should be high. That was always the main thing of becoming a Superman, and I ticked very well in that. So I was taught it that one pointer is clear. Now what
Yeah.
is next? Cheering of the crowd. Now, why are people cheering for Superman? Because he knows how to give back to society. He contributes in people's life by making them happy. Now,
Yeah.
Superman has superpowers. I need to find out what is my superpower that I can make people happy. Happiness is a state of mind. Happiness comes
Yes.
here and there. Everything is destiny. All that was not understood by me. The only thing I was that time focusing on, what do I do to make people cheer for me? So applause, crowd, audience was very important for me. Then
Okay.
I started moving to music and dancing, which was like every child likes to hear music and likes
Yeah.
to dance.
Yes.
Getting into that state of having fun, I realized that hey, people are applauding. They are like they are liking it. So
Yeah.
connecting to that, now I am more close to my goal of being a Superman. So I started interacting with people saying that you liked it. How about this? How about this? How about this?
Yeah.
It got very interactive. Till that time, I was not aware of dance as an activity which binds people together, like what dance is right now all over
Yes.
the world.
Yeah.
I knew one thing, that second category of making people happy, adding joy to their life, which is a choice. Happiness is not your choice. It is a part of your lifestyle, but having a joyful day is your choice. You can say, yes, I want to be in the joy moment. So I could contribute there. Now I have strength. I have reason for people to smile. I'm contributing and I'm giving back to the society where 10 people come together. Let's dance. Hello, uncle. Let's dance. Hello, auntie. Let's dance. And that dance got the main factor for me to connect to people. Now, connecting people is one medium of interacting, for which language was made. People started talking a specific language to communicate. For me, communication was more through dancing. That's why before dance is an expression, before dance is an emotion, for me it is a language. I know when I am talking, there is a language which everyone understands. But there is one common language which music and dance, everyone knows that. Why? It is fun. It is fun. But when you have a heart and you have a beat, that beat resonates to the beat which is happening all around. and you like it. That's music. And you start grooving, dancing. When you connect and you make people feel that, see, it's so simple. You are not someone who can say that I have 2 left feet, sir, I can't move. There is no grammar like this. There is Oxford Dictionary should ban this statement, and I will vouch for it, because there is no.
I'm sure a lot of people watching this use this statement, I can't dance.
I have been guilty of it as well.
Yeah.
So I give back the answer very simple. हम शादियों में नाचते हैं, हम गणपति में डांस करते हैं, हम दोस्तों के साथ नाचते हैं, बारात में नाचते हैं. हम बारात में पेंटिंग क्यों नहीं करते? हम शादियों में रंगोली क्यों नहीं करते, या ओनली सिंगिंग क्यों नहीं करते, या म्यूजिक कंपोजिंग क्यों नहीं करते? बिकॉज एवरी आर्ट हैज इट्स ओन फ्लेवर, हैज इट्स ओन फील. Dance has only one feel, which is out of joy. I mean, you can dance when there is nothing, and you can dance when there's everything, because it, as I said, it is a language. It is that part. It is that part of communication as a language where there is no filter. There is no filter to express your emotion when you are emoting your right self, inner self, which is you as real self. What converts that reality into the person's reality becomes his personality. Personality starts by behaving in a particular manner and connecting to the music, which becomes a pattern. The pattern is followed to become happy in a mood. You say this person is in a nice mood. That mood becomes a trait to your person's reality and personality. So people don't go back reverse to understand that it's coming from the one source, which is the beat of your heart. And that beat, like right now, understanding we are sitting and chilling in a lounge, we are connecting to a music which is more Sufiana, and it is giving us a soothing feel. There you cannot say that, okay, I want to hear rock band, because every genre has a feel. When you are praying, you are in a divinity in motion. You are in a divine state. While that you don't hear, you will prefer hearing Lata Mangeshkar and not Yo-Yo Honey Singh or Jennifer Lopez at that time, because there is a sense of feeling which connects to heart. That resonance को tap कैसे करना है, वो सिखाने में आया. So that became my purpose, you know. Now you understand that there is only one purpose, and you are the Superman. When I identified my superpower, which is just by making people smile. There is no if, there are no buts. I have not gone through dance classes. I never got an opportunity to get into dance class. I was doing my engineering, I was doing my MBA. There has been a lot of studies happening in the background, but that became my hobby, my passion towards excellence, my passion towards giving back to the society was only one thing. What do I do to make him smile? On the signal, when I am hearing the music, I will roll down my windows, I will start grooving with people. No one will say, what are you doing? They will acknowledge, you know, they will appreciate, because it's a language and you just need to know how to connect to people. And that is what made me feel that, boss, gods have sent me down saying, beta, go and create happiness. And I found that purpose. I have to ensure that I'm going to do that at my best, and I am doing at my best. That's it. I found a reason to dance, and dance becomes my life.
Yes.
Amazing. That's really nice, Superman. I love that. And I'm sure a lot of people listening to you are enjoying this conversation. So, Piyush, right now, given the current scenario, given the lockdown, the pandemic, people are going through a lot of mental and emotional turmoil, right? Can you tell us how can dance as a form help them in overcoming anxiety, help them in overcoming stress?
Yes. See, what I teach is what I preach. My imagination is something which gives me, that's my driving force to make things real, because if you can imagine, you can make it real. Brain in action is called mind. Mind connecting to the body is a mind to body connection, which we all know, meditation, yoga. It helps you to be in the state of mind, which is peace. But being in conscious to subconscious state there is one more state of mind which is called analytical state of mind. That comes through body to mind connection. Body to mind. Now that means if you are able to connect mind to body by giving instructions to your brain doesn't understand the difference in reality and imagination. That's why lucid dreaming works. That's why imagining or taking a memory takes you back and gives you a taste, a sense of feel, fragrance, and you go back in that state because your brain is actively present there. When you have so many ways to tap and go back to that feeling, there has to be a way back. That way back goes through your analytical mind. Now, when I'm talking about analytical mind, I'm talking about subconscious state to conscious state. We as humans are using only 4% and 5% of our brain. We all know because our habits are always the same, which gets on to the next day, gets on to the next day. That's why our Monday never comes. We will go to the gym on Mondays, never come, because we get up from the same side of the bed. We'll go, we'll do the toothbrush pattern. Everything is same, and then you kick into your day.
Yes.
One day, get up and don't do the same pattern. If you get up from the left every time, when you get up, mindfully tell yourself, I have to go from the right. Get down from the right. When you use your toothbrush and you brush from your right, do it from the left. Get up. When you go for a coffee, don't go for coffee, go for something else. Whatever you do in the whole day, try doing another alternative. What happens? You are consciously taking steps, you are consciously putting efforts, mindfully putting efforts, and that derives a new generation in your brain as a fertilizer, which is called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. Now, so there was a disconnect in network, but it's fine. When we connect body to mind, the pathway of your neurons to like a neural pathway is BDNF, which acts as a fertilizer for your brain. Now, suddenly, lockdown has made everyone realize what might be happening in Big Boss house. Why do people fight so much? Or people who are at one place, they are always fighting because it's not the energy of the place, it's the energy of people. Energy is one thing which cannot be generated, right? It is always transformed. And we as human species are based only on exchanging energies. That's why we connect to some and we don't connect to some. Now when you have stress, even if your person in your house is chill, he will get stressed because the hormones of cortisol hormones are very powerful. That will captivate your mind and you are not able to function. In this, everyone will come and say, Beta, don't take stress. Beta, don't take stress. Tension lene ka nahi, dene ka. These are the common things, right? But no one teaches you how to dene ka, how to not take stress, right? When you are taught how to do, there is a path. When you know how to tap your hormones to get back and kick in the dopamine hormones, that is your happy hormone, there has to be some way your body understands. That understanding is only by movement. Dancing is secondary. Anything in motion helps you to come out of your state of mind. So when you are stressed, people say breathe heavy. Yes, because you cannot instruct your mind with one more instruction that is stressing you or reducing the stress. That time your body to mind will help you. So you breathe, your physical flow of blood, the blood rush, will change the state of mind. That time by telling mind, okay, don't take stress, will not help you. This we know, but we don't do it. When you mindfully do it, you understand BDNF, you understand kicking off happy hormones and reducing the stress hormones, and then you deliver. And then you feel higher. Breathing really works. Sometimes don't do breathing. Sometimes do whoa, or do just jumping, or do anything which is not you. That is being in the conscious state. And subconsciously, what used to happen, you have stage fear, you have consciousness, you are in the closet, just drives off. And then you realize that, man, this really works. That's simple. When lockdown, everyone got dark. It's a very dark outside mahol. Understanding COVID being so dangerous, everyone is going through a turmoil and no one knows what to do because we don't know. There are no vaccines. One thing helps.
Yeah.
You cannot come out of this whole thing because we all are in this together. But you can choose to handle it with your own way. So what I realize is, if I can get people smiling in the moments when they are stressed, they are firstly out of that state of mind. Yes. Will this help them to be more healthy, to kick in your immunity system to fight against the COVID? Yes. There are no vaccination. The main vaccination is just be happy. And we all know this, but we don't know how to tap it. So when you move, there is a movement. Now that movement is accompanied by a rhythm. That rhythm resonates with your heartbeat. You start feeling, you start grooving. This feel becomes your reason to come out of the state of mind, and you realize it. So then tomorrow onwards, 4:30, when I have a break from my office, it's better I hear one song rather than discussing the same problem with you. You start taking a call mindfully. Now what happened? Subconsciously, every 4:30 on chai, you're talking to your best friend. Today you're not talking. Mindfully taking a step and listening to a song which might be your favorite song. But that is driving you fine, and that's giving you a new sense of energy. You start feeling good. This is what we started doing, connecting to people, randomly connecting to different schools, different organizations, and saying, let's do 10 minutes of free dance workshop. Now, when whatever comes for free, everyone waits. But the reason it is used to connect with people because it's giving them joy. Now they connect to it. Even if they are not with us next day, they know that they have to groove. You connect to people in a language which is dancing. You're reducing their stress. They are enjoying it. You're creating joy around them, and they feel happy and healthy. This is the way I realize that lockdown will really help when we bind people together with music and dancing. And trust me, by God's grace, it is working very, very well. So I feel very strong about this feeling.
Yeah, in fact, you have been working. Yeah, in fact, you have been working a lot with a lot of special kids and visually impaired kids. And I think you have an initiative also called as This Is Madness. So if you can tell a little more about that.
Okay, This Is Madness is like the property which I feel very feeling of being proud about it. But that doesn't give me a sense of satisfaction, but the sense of being emotionally connected to people. Now, when I talk about emotion, doesn't mean only sorrowness, but a way of expressing your madness inside. Now, when I talk about madness, if you can dance like this, you can also dance like this, because that's the state where you need to transition from this to this. If you are in that sophisticated mahol, there are so many people, they will just, with the glass in the hand or they're partying, they'll just do this. And they're enjoying it. And people who know to dance, they'll be, look at that uncle, what he's doing. But that uncle is doing exactly what you're doing. He's dancing, you're dancing. And that's his highest potential level. This is what he loves to do. In This Is Madness, I'm not teaching anyone. I get the crowd in front of me. They are all segregated. If they are busy in their own thing, there is an announcement, music starts, and connecting them by eye contact and giving them the dose of what they love. Even if it is Chikni Chameli or it is Dhoom, everyone will give a touch of their own. If Dhoom is this for uncle, he will do this. I just need to tell them how to dance, not what to dance. People go to dance class for learning so many different things, which is beautiful as a course. But those who don't go to dance class, they by default have the feeling, we have two left foot, we can't dance, because they have always seen dance as a procedure. It's a process, but it is just emotion. You pick up a spoon and start banging, you'll find a rhythm, and then you'll start grooving. That's dance. When I express this on stage, first we will perform, people applaud, we feel connected to them, they feel connected to us. Now we tell them, how about being on the other side of the stage? Now you're not the audience. Let all of us be a part of having this artistry. Let's get master of this art. Are you ready? everyone wants that, they want to feel what you feel on stage, but they are little hesitated, they're little not very comfortable what people will see, what people will say, understanding what others will think. Come on, let's start clapping. 2, 3, 4. Now suddenly all claps are in sync. Everyone gets charged up. Yes, come on. Now let's start rolling. Then they start rolling. Those who don't know how to roll, they'll still come and start rolling. And then they get into their own flow. They are on. The party doesn't stop because they have just experienced the dopamine. And there is one more hormone which is called oxytocin, which is a sense of loyalty and trust, which I have to connect with them. They have 2 hormones flowing here. One is dopamine, oxytocin. That's it. They're set for the night. They will keep dancing, and that becomes your identity. And whenever we meet, uncle will say, hey, how are you? This, because this is what he was doing that time. And he remembers that. It's in his zehen. Being in the zehen becomes such a nice memory that whenever that song comes, why this is tatar for everyone in the world? Because that's the feel of the song. This is Ikpal Ka Jeena. Chorus step is defined with a feeling which connects and resonates to a Samne wala person, and that's why they understand the song and the feel of it. So for me, it becomes very important to understand the feel. People understand the feel, they get their madness out, and everyone has a madness. Every person has a madness. They know how to get it out. Either they'll do it outside or in the bathroom or during Ganpati or at birthday party, but everyone knows what to dance. We just need to tap and tell them, let's start. So this is madness is all about unleash your madness, getting the madness out, and that's it. And it works. Like I can make Anupam dance for 6 hours saying the same thing of saying Deepa being beautiful, Ladki beautiful, kar gayi chul. And every time Ladki ka name we'll replace it with Deepa. She'll be happy, you'll be happy. Right? As a dance, you can do a lot of stuff. But understanding this is madness is all about expressing, emoting yourself with no filter. It works. Dance like no one is watching. That hype which people have made, that hype is real, my friend. It's not just a hype, it's reality.
In fact, before this chat, I'll have to tell this, Deepa, to everyone that before this chat, we were talking about a lot of dancers and non-dancers, the category. And I consider myself, Piyush, you'll be happy to know that I'm a professional dancer and I can dance for more than 6 hours. On the other hand, Deepa is someone who can, Deepa is someone who can, who might need. So they are. So obviously, we all, whoever is watching right now, there is a category of people who can dance like me. There is a category who can dance, but in their own way, Deepa.
Yeah.
So I think, Deepa, right now you got your answers because the way he was explaining all these scientific techniques and all.
Yeah.
Now you have your answer that it's exactly not about learning those professional steps.
Never.
Yeah.
It's all a science, and I'm sure a lot of people watching right now, since the knowledge, Piyush, which you have told everyone, it's immense, and I'm sure a lot of people want to get in touch with you and want to know more about you. So if you can tell us, so if, for example, if I have to learn from Piyush or anyone who's watching right now, how they can get in touch with you and what are the modules you can offer to them?
Yeah.
Take your right hand, place it on your heart, close your eyes, take my name 3 times, and I appear and we dance.
Okay. Yeah.
Like that.
About
like Bollywood is in the blood, so Bolly blood, that's a different thing. Okay, sorry, coming back to the reality, just adding one point when you told about dancers and non-dancers. Punjabiyon mein bhangra khoon mein hega, right, Kohli ji? Every Punjabi can dance like mad when it comes to bhangra, like every Gujarati can do garba. No matter what, even if they're sleeping, so they will not stop. That is because everything is based on the rhythm pattern. The wiring is dependent. The way you fire and wire together, it's all made up. We just need to know how to tap and how to fire the wire in a specific way. So if
Yeah.
people want to really feel and experience fun, they just need to get in touch with us on Instagram. There's social media. We can connect on Facebook. There is a YouTube channel where we showcase all our work. Please get
Yeah.
in touch. I'll be more than happy to contribute happiness to your life.
Piyush,
Wow.
thank you so much. What an amazing
Amazing.
conversation this was. I love the way you explained the science behind dance. Dance is just not steps. There's actually a science behind it, and it's really amazing the joy you bring to the world, the joy you bring to people who connect with you. It's really amazing. I mean, I really, from my heart, would like to thank you for this conversation.
Yeah.
A non-dancer like me, something like you
Yeah.
said, grooving, that's something that I do. But for me,
Yeah.
in my mind, I'm a non-dancer because I cannot do the steps. But
Yeah.
now I know what dance is all about. So thank you
Yes.
so much for this, Piyush.
Thank
And
you.
thank you
Most
for all those compliments.
pleasure.
Thank you for
Indeed, yes.
constantly calling me beautiful. Thank you so much. A special thank you
Yeah,
for that.
I'm sure Deepa will thank you for that. And it was such a pleasure, Piyush, to have you on our chat show. And we look forward for a lot more content on Sukoon from you. So we'll keep in touch with you. And till that time, see you soon.
Thank you so much, Piyush. Thank
you.
you.
Sukoon as a word is a sense of sukoon, right? It's a breathing that has a rhythm. So sukoon is sukoon. Sukoon to
Yeah.
me, sukoon to everyone. See you all.
Yes.
Thank you.
And
Thank you
also,
so much.
I would want to add here that Sukoon is also Sukh-hoon. Sukh-hoon. That's why we spell, there's a
Yes.
H in between. So that's
Nice.
the true meaning what we have. It's
Yeah.
also Sukh-hoon. So it has it has that
It's
meaning
so
as well.
cool. It's so
It's-
cool in
it's
Sukoon.
a
We are
great
saying
one.
bye.
Yeah.
We are saying bye, and then we are like, oh, one more thing, and then we
Oh,
say
one
bye.
more thing.
One more thing. So I
That
love
happens
this
to like-minded
feeling.
people.
I love this feeling. Yes.
Thanks a lot, Piyush, and we'll see you very soon.
Thank you,
Bye.
Piyush. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.